So what do you do when you update your expectations for existing commitments? Those commitments tab, and this is the list of our existing investments. You can view each separately in the white tabs, just like that. Each of them has some actuals and some projections. Let's say that the first fund, it's a growth fund, WINDISH 2020. It right now, based on the actuals, has projected TVPI of 1.9. It could happen that you get some information that this fund will actually perform a little better. So how can you reflect that information in the projections? This section serves as an override to the pacing assumptions. Pacing assumptions is a critical tab where you set up all the projections, such as investment like BOW, yield, projected growth, or IRR. But you might want to override that for this particular fund. So what you will do is you will go to data, what if analysis, goal seek, and you want to set the projected terminal TVPI to 2.1 by changing projected growth rate. And what I've just done is not the ideal way how to do this because I didn't have any value in there. So the iterations or the goal seek took a little longer, but Excel succeeded to find the projected growth rate and it put it to 18.93%. So we're assuming that for the remainder of the fund's life, the growth rate is going to be on average 18.93%. And that way we'll get to 2.1. That means that also this projection has updated slightly. You could also do the same thing for finding a different BOW. Or, for example, you could also extend the investment line and so on. You can, for example, reflect by extending the investment life any kind of fund extensions that can occur towards the end of the fund's life. You can also use similar overrides for planned commitments over here for each of the strategies. Just to recap, there is a tab pacing assumptions that assigns growth rates, yields, BOW, investment life, and contribution curves to each of your defined strategies. A strategy is a combination of an asset class, and a type can be fund, secondary, co-investment, direct investment, and so on. But if you want to override any specific actual commitments or commitments, you can do so using the overrides.